Buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Long live good person, good life. Welcome to my vlog, Mabuhay Channel, my kamabuhay, my mabuhay years. Once again, I am your vlogger, retired teacher, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Live and alive, I'm here in Santa Ana Wharf. We are going to Samal. Here we go. Have a glimpse of my exact location now. Wow, so amazing, terrific. Really, it's spectacular, breathtaking, the situation now in Santa Ana Wharf, Davao City. We are waiting for our boat ride going to Samal for our island hopping. Wow, and with me, I got my old and new friends. Of course, my very good old friend, always a beauty queen, ang Nining. Okay, you greet our viewers.
Doctora
and Doctora Nempa.
Live na live.
Live
Live and alive.
Okay, Doc Nempa. And my new friend also, Daisy. Okay, so, and someone is here with us. Okay, shout out to your relatives, everyone there. Okay, yeah, vlogger. I have my Mabuhay channel. Okay, Mabuhay. Okay, please introduce yourself. Oh, bye now. The other. What's this? Waterproof for your cell phone. And do you have red? I love red. You don't have red ba?
150. Red, mahiling na siya
sa red. Where's the red? Wala.
Wala red po.
I will not buy. And I also have this one. Sunglasses. For how much? 100. Okay, what are you waiting for? This one.
Goggles.
So, these are available now here in Santa Ana Wharf. Name, sir? Wala na name. I love the sombrero. Yeah, but wala siyang wala siyang pula. Gusto ko pula. Anyway, this is it. So, we are waiting. What time is our
windrunner?
7 o'clock pa.
Windrunner.
Yeah, so okay, how are you feeling now? Are you excited?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, they are excited. Excited to have our banding, my old and new friends. So, this is the advantage, the benefits of a retired teacher. Gaining more friends here and there. Yeah, so we are waiting for our boat ride at 7 o'clock. I will be sharing you more moments here in Santa Ana. Wow, so nice, amazing place. I love this one. We're going to Samal. Let's go over there. Isla Rita. I've been there already in Isla Rita. Join me as I tour you right here on a Sunday morning, Santa Ana Wharf, Davao City, the land of promise, where life is here again. So amazing. Yay! Mabuhay!
Hello!
Yeah, where are you going? Mabuhay channel tayo. Live. You're also a vlogger, sir. Please, magano tayo.
Mabuhay channel. Watch out.
Shout out to your wives or to your girlfriends.
To our groups.
Yeah, to our group. What group are you now?
FTO Clubbers.
Wow!
Hey,
So,
Manghilo IPH, watch out.
yeah, okay. Introduce yourself, sir.
Yeah, my name is Wendell, 24 years old.
Wow, negotiable? Engage. No more.
Single.
Single. Sir, yeah. So your group, as employees or?
Yeah, employees. We're just we're hanging out with some friends right now. We're going to island hopping in Samal.
Wow. Hope you can have also banding there. Well,
Yes,
we are going there too.
Yeah. See you there, man.
Yeah, I'm a retired teacher, so at the same time, having my vlogging, yun.
Subscribe to YouTube
So, Mabuhay channel, Mabuhay channel, Erlinda Rindon, sir. Okay.
Oh, yeah, YouTube channel.
Yeah, YouTube. And
Facebook page.
Yeah, Facebook page, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Please add me also.
Sige.
Mabuhay channel. And your name?
Wendell.
Sir. Okay, I will be
Shout out
searching
Wendell.
them. Windy lang talaga.
Windy Krista Colod.
Krista, but Chris, Balokod.
Takulod.
Takulod, sige. Okay, and sir, to research.
Ha?
What company are you?
Same.
Sige. So, happy trip. 7 o'clock our
What's your
full
name,
time.
ma'am? What's your name?
Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon.
Shoutout sa'yo, Mrs. Piling.
Yeah, mabuhay lang, mabuhay.
Mabuhay channel. Shoutout sa'yo, Mabuhay channel.
Mabuhay channel.
Mabuhay taxi.
Yes, please look for me, that one in with red gown and the yellow one. I just retired, so that is my profile. Yeah.
Wow.
Last June lang. So, here we go. So, ma'am, you're also going for island hopping. This is it. We are documenting. See you there, sir. Thank you. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Okay. It's Larita. You see, I'm gaining more friends here. It's a wonderful life here in Davao. No stress, no tension, just going with friends. Okay, the water is clear. Wow, so amazing. So I need to go back to my group there. This is the situation now. There are also other co-passengers. It's really amazing to be here, to enjoy life to the fullest, and with friends. Of course, winning friends is wonderful. It's really exciting. It adds life. Okay, let me share you again my day-to-day on a Sunday. Santa Ana Wharf, exact location. And of course, back to those are my amazing companions to our island hopping, and of course we'll be having our swimming soon after the island hopping. Buhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good person, good life. Good life, good person. Long live, long life. Good person, good life. Thank you, Mabuhayers, for joining me my shared vlog today. Right at this moment, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. So early our schedule for going to the islands, our tour. I just do not know what are the other beautiful spots. Since my last island hopping was in Bohol a year ago. That was August, and now it's my first time also to have this island hopping in Davao, Samal Island. So here we go. We're about to start our trip of this Sunday morning. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Live and alive. I am your retired teacher vlogger, the selfie queen, Mama Buhay, Ma'am Darna, vlogger of the century, live and alive here in Santa Ana, Davao City. Thank you, followers, viewers. Thank you, everyone, my FB friends, for following me. Until my next vlog. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Thank you, Mabuhayers. Thank you, everyone. Sharing you next my episode of our trip today here in Samal Islands. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my channel. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang Buhay! Don't forget, God is love. God is good all the time. Excellence is always our target, our goal for every because for every task we have done, in as much as what we have done is not excellent, we have done nothing. Remember that. Okay, there's no picture or video, it did not happen. Okay, those are the words of wisdom. God is good all the time. And here's the status here. The passengers are waiting for their boat ride to Island Hopping. And of course, our other companion, Sir Totoniel. Okay, greet our audience. So that's the morning. That's my companion with the other group. And indaid na, okay, you have your followers there in lang, you greet our Malangilinyos. Si, Ma'am Kunol doon, si, di ba, friend kayo?
Hi, Miriam.
Inday Miriam, your friend, So, this is it. Yeah. Words of wisdom for today. Can you share one line? God is love. God is good. Whatever. God is, nangining.
God is love.
God is love. Sir Totoniel, shared wisdom for today. Anything? God is love. God is love. Yeah, pareho talaga, no? Time is gold. And Doc, can you share your words of wisdom? Anything. Theirs is God is love. God is powerful. How about you? Your motto in life.
Motto in life?
Whatever.
Stay young forever.
Wow! I love it. Stay young forever. In a way, age is just a number, no? Diba?
Yeah.
We are sweet 16. Yeah, feeling sweet 16. My new friend, Dr. Nempa. And another new friend, and Daisy. Video lang, your motto in lifetime is gold. God is powerful. Getting young every day. Whatever.
Getting young every day.
Yeah, getting young every day. So that's it. And for me, if there's no picture, it did not happen. Nothing is impossible. God is good all the time. And my favorite words of wisdom is, God will make a way. God will make a way. Nothing is impossible. I'm your blogger, retired teacher. Teacher being Erlinda Ding, Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Santa Ana Wharf, going to Samal Islands with my beautiful, amazing, old and new friends over there. Okay, until my next vlog, thank you followers, thank you my FB friends, viewers, everyone. Until my next vlog, mabuhay!